How to do a Russian join in knitting. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to join a new ball using the Russian join knitting technique. It's a great joining method without a knot where you don't need to weave in any ends. All you need is a sharp tapestry needle, a pair of scissors, and we are ready to go. First, thread the tail of your working yarn on a sharp tapestry needle. Make sure to pick a tapestry needle that is as thin as possible and use a needle threader if you're having trouble threading the yarn through the eye. And then fold the yarn upon itself and pierce right through the yarn using the tapestry needle. Go right through the center and follow the yarn for around 2 to 3 inches, making sure you go right through the center. Don't worry if things bunch up here a bit, that's quite normal. And as I said, 2 or 3 inches. The slicker the yarn, the longer you should go. And once you're satisfied, you need to pull the tapestry needle through. This might require a bit of force. Pull it through, and it's very important that you keep, as you pull things through, you keep the loop here at the end. You can remove the tapestry needle. Keep that loop here. Next, thread the tail of the yarn you want to join on the same sharp tapestry needle. I am using a contrasting yarn here, but you can of course use the same color. And then pull that tapestry needle and the yarn through the loop you created here at the end. And now you have to do the exact same thing over again. So fold the yarn upon itself and pierce right through it using your sharp tapestry needle and follow the course of the yarn for 2 or 3 inches. Go right through it. Again, things are bunching up a bit on the tapestry needle, but that's just fine. And once you're satisfied, again, pull the tapestry needle all the way through. And then you can already tighten things up here in the middle. Tighten things up so you don't have a loop here. And then you can close the loop on the other side by pulling on the tail. Pull on the tail so there's no loop here in the middle. Then you can straighten things out. There is already your Russian join. And then you can pick up your scissors and trim away the tail. Make sure that you don't accidentally cut your working yarn. I mean, if you do, you can do the Russian join all over again, but probably not what you want. And there you go. There is your Russian join. It's a super easy and fast method that basically works for every fiber, even the super slick cotton yarn here. And as I already said, it does not require you to weave in ends later on. Sometimes these tails come a bit loose, but that's nothing to worry about. The only thing you should know is that this will create a visibly thicker section in your work for 2 or 3 stitches. So best join the yarn at a place where it's less noticeable. Anyway, that's how to do the Russian join in knitting. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and make sure to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.